Today we are going to see how to create two beautiful keychains using macrame code. This is Reena. Welcome to Crafting Treasures. For making the first keychain, I've taken two codes of 50 cm each, the 1-inch keychain hook. First, using lockhead notes, I've tied both the codes on the keychain hook. I've used pins to secure them in place before starting the knotting. I'm going to start with the endless fall knot. First, move out the rightmost and the leftmost cords and wrap the middle cords around your index finger, making sure that their ends do not cross each other. Then pull the leftmost and the rightmost cords through the loop in opposite directions and tug all the four cords slowly to make the knot tight. And now you have your first endless fall knot. While pulling the cords, make sure the middle two cords do not cross each other. Repeat this knot till you reach the desired length. I'm going to finish it off with a gathering knot or a wrapping knot. For this, I've taken a scrap piece of macrame cord around 20 cm. I'll be forming a hook shape at one end of this cord and wrapping the other side around all the other cords tightly. The number of times you wrap the cord depends on your design. And when you're done, pull the working cord through the loop and pull the loop into the wrap and cut off the excess cord. Next, unbraid the end of the macrame, comb it out and cut it to desired length and attach it to your key. This endless fall knot that we have used has a beautiful design on the front as well as the back side. For the next keychain, I'm going to use macrame cords of about 20 to 30 centimeters long and colored yarn. I first cut out blue colored yarn and have begun wrapping it around the cord. Continued wrapping till I reach the desired length and check the size of the arch. For the next cord, I've used a purple color. And for the innermost one, I've used a bright pink. Attach them together using glue. I've used tiny pegs to help keep them in position while drying. Using small pieces of macrame cords, I have formed square knots at both ends of the rainbow. I've cut and brushed out the ends. I've threaded a single strand of macrame cord through the top layer of the rainbow and through a bead to make a provision for attaching it to the key ring. And there you have it, two simple and easy macrame keychains. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. See you in the next video you see on the side. Bye.